Just trying how to share. Okay, I'll share my desktop itself. Okay, you can see, right?
Right.
Sanskrit and English lyrics, right? Okay. Covering.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. So last week we saw the first Dhyana shloka and then we did 2 shlokas. So we'll do a quick revision of that and then go to today's class. We'll go with some volunteers so that it will be a good practice, right? Any volunteers to do the Dhyana shloka?
I can do that, Shanthi.
Okay.
This one, right? Sindhura Aruna, that one.
Yeah. Just this one. Yeah, just the first Dhyana shloka. Yeah.
Sindhuraruna vigraha trinayana manikya spurat ragas I can see Taranayaka Shekharasmidamukhi Mapina Vachoruham Panibhyamaliburna Reknachashakam Rektotpalam Bipratim Saumyam Reknakhadasta Rektacharanam Dhyayet Paramambikam.
Okay. Good. Just normal pronunciation ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒന്നും തെറ്റില്ല അതില്. It just has a little softening at places, but you just have to be careful. കുറച്ചുകൂടി wherever you have to stress a little more.
Okay.
Like இப்போ விக்ரஹான் த்ரிநயனம், that is correct to join it. Like vargathla last nasal sound வச்சு you can join, okay? Vigrahan Trinayanam. Just for the others I'm saying.
Shanthi, did you say something?
And the Spurat also, some people would say Spurat and stop. That is also accepted. So it's not wrong.
Oh, okay.
Manikya Mauli, it's not long. It's Mauli Spurat. Okay.
Okay. Together. Okay.
Not for together, but it's a short vowel. Li.
Okay.
Spurat alla, Mauli Spurat. Okay.
Spurat.
And Ratna, you kind of curved it a little bit.
Okay.
Atrayam curve and Ratna. Okay. It and
Ratna.
both you have to hear the it sound and the na sound. Okay.
Okay.
Any other person? One more.
I can do it.
Okay.
My name is Ranjini.
Okay, Ranjini. Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay. Sindhuraruna vigraham trinayanam manikya spurat Taranayaka Shekaram Smitamukhi Apina Vakshoruham Panibhyam Alipurna Ratna Chashakam Rakta Falot Bibradim Raktotphalam Bibradim.
This is a common mistake that we often make. This is not the second pa, okay? It is only the first pa. So we don't need that Mahaprana sound there. That aspiration is not required, okay? So Raktotpalam. Only variation you might see in some texts will be Bibhratim na pagaram, you'll see Vibhrati. That is also fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Raktotphalam
Bibratim.
It's not phalam, it's pa, normal Raktotpalam. So Raktotpalam is Utpalam is lotus. So like how we have Nilotpalam, right? Blue lotus. This is the red lotus. So Utpalam is palam only, no phalam or phalam. Okay. So yeah.
Raktotpalam Bibratim.
Raktotpalam Bibratim.
Bibratim. Okay. Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha Rakta Charanam Dhyayet Param Ambikam.
Charanam and Dhyayet Param Ambika. Okay.
Charanam. Okay.
Because both her feet, right? So it's a plural.
Charanam. Okay. Dhyayet Param Ambikam.
Okay. So now we'll go to the first shloka.
One doubt. This Panibhyam Alipurnam or Ali? Panibhyam.
Ideally, it's Li. Okay, there is no that right? La.
Okay.
Because of our local language regional language influence, we tend to say Ali. I have also been saying Ali Purna for the longest time, but I think the right way is to say Ali Purna. Yeah. So as much as possible, try to say La. So unless in some Vedic chants, I think that La, that big La, is not used anywhere. So
I have got my Malayalam, Lalitha Sahasranamam. So in that it's Li. It's the
big
hard
La,
one.
right? Yeah, right.
The La. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. Yeah, first one. Do you want to do it, Pratyusha? First one. Okay. Anybody? Any volunteers for the first shloka?
I can do it.
I was on mute.
Okay. Yeah, Pratyusha, go ahead.
Om Sri Mata Sri Maharajni Srimal-Simhasaneshwari Chidagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata.
Yeah, it's perfect. Just only one thing, Shrimal. Other than Malayalam, we do that like Valsalyam and all that, right? Yeah. Again, we cannot like look down upon whoever is chanting like that or say that's inferior or superior. But here we have to stick to some standard or format, right? So we'll go with whatever is used in Sanskrit pronunciation, whatever Gita chanting we use, we'll go with that. Going by that, we should say Srimat Simhasaneshwari.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
Anybody else wants to chant the first?
Sarina here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sure. Sarina, go ahead.
Okay, yeah. So from Udyad, right?
No, you can chant the first one. We'll do it just because.
Om Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Srimat Simhasaneshwari Chittagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata.
Good. The tune and all, everything is good. This Ragni, that also some people say Ragni, but it's correct to say Ij sound and Nya sound. Okay, so it should be Shri Maharajni Srimat Simhasaneshwari. And it's not Chitagni, it is Chidagni. It is Chit plus Agni, but when they're joined together, it becomes the softer Da. So it is Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta. Again, that Mahaprana sound and all, you have to just pay a little more attention. So here we have how many Mahapranas? So we have this Sambhuta. This is the only one that's Mahaprana. So this one you need to put a little more effort. And this is the normal one. This is the first Da, so no need to stress. Yeah. Baki everything is the second shloka. Anybody wants to?
Should I go or is it someone else?
Yeah, if anybody else wants to do, we'll let them do it.
I can also do it.
Okay, Ranjani, go ahead.
Udyatbhanu Sahasrapa Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadya Krodakara Kushojvala.
Yes, this Da was soft and Sahasrabha.
Okay.
Everywhere else you paid attention to that, so it's fine.
Okay.
Anyone else wants to go? Once again, this one.
I can go. This is Nijitra.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Om Shri Mata Shri Maharatni Srimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata Udyat Bhanu Sahasrabha Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadya Krodhankara Kushojvala.
Perfect. Okay, very good. Just Krodhang, Nang illa. So Krodha Karang Kushojvala. Only here.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise it was perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll go to the third one today. Any volunteers to do the repeat?
I can do it.
Okay, Anjani, right, okay. We'll just touch upon the meaning, not deep, but just slight meaning. Mano Rupekshu Kodanda Pancha Tanmatra Sayaka. So we are describing the Devi, right? This is a general picture. So like we saw last week, this class, think of it as your prayer time. And when you do the Dhyana Shloka, just bring the picture of Devi in front of you. So it's like doing a Sankalpam and bringing the image of the Devi. So all these shlokas also, the Dhyana Shloka describes the whole picture of the Devi. The first three are also describing the Devi's picture. So Mano Rupekshu Kodanda is, she is having the sugarcane, sweet sugarcane on one hand, and the other hand is Pancha Tanmatra Sayaka, the 5 flower arrows, Pushpa Banam, right? That. And Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandala. So in her, that redness or brightness, she is immersing the whole world. That is about the, that is the general meaning of this shloka. So here, if you see, they have put these hyphens, right? So together, these two are one, it's one single name. So for learning, we'll learn it, split it and learn, repeat, do that. But when we are chanting, we should not put a long pause in between these two. It has to be together. Similarly, here, Pancha Tanmatra Sayaka, this has to be together, okay? The second line is entirely one nama. Nama meaning one name of the goddess. So, Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandala is one name. So, here also we should not break in between. Sometimes it's hard to take breath, like, to say it in one breath. At that time, you have to somehow adjust and, you have to take a longer time to do the Prabhapura instead of doing Prabhapura and stopping there, okay? So, just these things to keep in mind. Now we'll repeat. So when repeating, I'll break wherever there is a hyphen, okay? And if you use this text, this is the one I've sent in the group also. It's easy to see and read instead of looking at the big words. And one good thing about this is, these might sound a little hard, but only until shloka 35, it is this hard, okay? After that, it's very easy. So don't get overwhelmed with the initial ones. So it will get easier later on. So yeah. Manorupekshu.
Manorupekshu.
Kodanda.
Kodanda.
Pancha Tanmatra.
Pancha Tanmatra.
Sayaka.
Sayaka.
Nijaruna.
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 Prabhapura.
Prabhapura.
Majjat Brahmanda Mandala.
Majjat Brahmanda Mandala.
So again, this Brahmanda is this Ha and Ma, when it is coming together, 90% we say and Ha, but the ideal pronunciation, it seems, is Brahmanda. Again, here both are accepted. Even in Gita chanting, that when we judge or guidelines, if possible, say it as Brahma, because I personally looked at a lot of text on this and I feel Ha should come first because it's written that way, Ha first and Ma second. And when it is joined, the rule says that the Ha sound has to come from the chest. And for me, I feel Ma is correct. And there are so many supporting, videos for that. But either way is accepted, okay? So when I'm teaching, I'll teach it as Brahmanda, but Brahmanda is also okay. Okay. Majjat Brahmanda.
Majjat Brahmanda.
Mandala.
Mandala.
Okay. So now we'll try to say one nama together. So Manorupekshu Kodanda.
Manorupekshu Kodanda.
Pancha Tanmatra Sayaka.
Pancha Tanmatra Sayaka.
Pancha Tanmatra Sayaka.
Pancha Tanmatra Sayaka.
Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandala.
Nijaruna Prabhapura Manjat Brahmanda Mandala.
Just practice a little more. Nijaruna Prabhapura. So you cannot stop like that, but it has to be together. And it's Majjat. There is no in sound here. Yeah, it's not Majjat, but it's Majjat Brahmanda Mandala.
Okay.
One more person, maybe we can repeat this one. So, and everybody else, please chant on mute, okay? So that, again, I'm saying we are all busy. We won't have separate time to do this. So right in the class itself, try to learn it. So you don't have to spend separate time again for this.
I can try. Yeah.
Manorupekshu
Manorupekshu
Kodanda
Kodanda
Panchatanmatra Sayaka
Panchatanmatra Sayaka
Nijaruna
Nijaruna
Prabhapura
Prabhapura
Majjat Prabhapura. So here, if you make the ba long, you can stop the pura at the right time and fit it in the tune, okay? Nijaruna Prabhapura
Nijaruna Prabhapura
Majjat Brahmanda
Majjad Brahmanda
Mandala
Mandala
Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandala
Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala.
Prabha, that bha should be Mahaprana, right? So here, if you see which are the Mahapranas, there is not much here. This bha is Mahaprana, everything else is the soft sounds only.
Okay.
And, this, when we say Rupekshu, this again is the Sha that we have to, it is Ka and Sha together, right? Compound letter.
Yeah.
Sha is the deeper Sha, the where you curve your tongue. So that.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
So we'll move to the next shloka. B cube. Okay. Champakashokapunnāgasauganधिकलसत्कचा Kuruvindamani-shreṇī-kanatkotīramandita. So this one general meaning is Champaka Shoka Punnaga. So it is actually Champaka Ashoka. Together it became Champaka Shoka. So what is Champaka? Champaka is a flower. Ashoka is a flower. Punnaga is a flower. And Saugandhika. So Saugandhika. So all of these flowers' fragrance is on the is shining on the that means it's giving out the smell. Her hair. So Kacha is hair. So Devi's hair is giving out all these nice fragrances. So from the fourth verse we are starting the head to toe varnanam, right? Like Keshadipada varnanam. So that starts in the fourth one. So we are describing her hair. Champaka Shoka Punnaga Saugandhika Lasatkaja and Kuruvinda Mani Shreni Kanatkotira Mandita. And it is like, what is it? Kuruvinda Mani is, her crown is studded with 1,000 red stones. That is the general meaning of this one. So now we'll go to the chanting. Who is volunteering for this one?
I can volunteer.
Nijitra. Okay.
Yes.
Champakash. Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Champakashoka
Champakashoka
Punnaga
Punnaga
Saugandhika.
Saugandhika.
Yeah, Dha is Mahaprana. So Saugandhika
Saugandhika
Lasatkacha.
Lasatkacha.
Okay. So here Ka, no, you should not elongate. Here again, if you notice, this whole thing is one Nama, right? So we are breaking it to learn, but it is one single name. The second line also is entirely one single name. So there also you should not have any long pauses. So as per the meter for this, it is Anushtup Chandas, right? So that is the meter for Lalita Sahasranamam. For that, the allowed pauses like after every quarter. So after here, you could pause, but In this case, because it is one nama, you should not break. You can take the same amount of time, but you cannot put a long pause and break it. We did the first line, right? Kuru Vindamani
Kuru Vindamani
Shreni
Shreni
Kanat Kotira
Kanat Kotira
Mandita.
Mandita.
So wherever this ta comes, we have to make sure, if it is in Malayalam, we'll make it a little soft, right? We have to stick to this pronunciation, okay? Kuru Vindamani Shreni
Kuru Vindamani Shreni
Kanat Kotira Mandita.
Kanat Kotira Mandita.
Once more, we'll do it like full line. Champaka Shoka Punnaga Saugandhikala Satkacha.
Champaka Shoka Punnaga Saugandhika Lasatkacha.
Punnaga, Anganaka Badilla, you have to control it, okay? Kuru Vindamani Shreni Kanat Kotira Mandita.
Kuru Vindamani Shreni Kanat Kotira Mandita.
Here it is a long vowel, so I made it too long, but yeah, that is also
Okay.
It has to be a little shorter.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone else wants to repeat this shloka?
I can do it. This is Manju.
Manju, okay.
Should I start from Manurupa or Chambakashoga?
Champakashoka.
Okay. Chambakashoga Punnaga Saugandigala Satkaja Kuruvinda Manishrini Kanat Kodira Mantida.
Okay. Yeah, I actually wanted you to repeat, but it's so here you have to pay attention to this dhika and kodira. That is what I was saying, right? You should not make it soft. It's kotira. It is the kotira.
Okay.
So now maybe you can try repeating it. And others also, please repeat even if you're on mute. Okay. Champaka shoka punnaga.
Champaka shoga punnaga.
This shoka also. Shoga nakabadilla. You have to say Champaka shoka punnaga.
Champaka shoka punnaga.
Saugandhikala satkacha.
Saugandhikala satkacha.
Dha, you have to practice and get it with the little more effort. Saugandhikala satkacha.
Saugandhikala satkacha.
Saugandhikala satkacha.
Saugandhikala satkacha.
Kuruvindamani Shreni.
Kuruvindamani Shreni.
Kanat Kotira Mandita.
Kanat Kotira Mandita.
Perfect. So, yeah, now I think 2 of you have done. We'll move to the next one. Maybe we'll do only 3, not to make it too much. Okay. Who wants to repeat?
I'll.
Okay. Who is that? Shivika, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ashtami Chandra.
Ashtami Chandra.
Vibhraja.
Vibraja.
Vibhraja.
Vibraja.
Bhra is Mahaprana sound. It comes in the 4th column, right? 4th. In each varga, there are ka, kha, ga, gha, like that. This is the 4th one for ba varga, right? Pa varga. So it is bhra. Vibhraja.
Vibraja.
Dalikasthala. Again Mahaprana here. So Dalikasthala.
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 Shobhita.
Shobhita.
Shobhita. So here a lot of Mahapranas. This one is Mahaprana. This one is Mahaprana. This one is Bhi. Mahaprana is nothing but wherever we give more air out, or there is a H sound that is associated with the basic consonant, right? So if it is, let's say, ta, we have been writing TA. This is THA. So tha. Similarly, if
Bha.
BA is ba, this will become BH,
Bha.
right? Bha. Yeah. Similarly, here, if it was just normal B, it would be Vibraja, but it is bra. So that ha, that we are including a ha sound with the consonant sound. Yeah. So, and here again, this whole thing is one name, and here again, one name. So can you tell me here, where is the Mahaprana in the next one? How many Mahapranas?
There is one in the second letter.
Yes. And
There is one in the third letter.
which one?
The second word, third letter.
This one?
Yeah.
No, that is normal. Kalanka. Ka is the first ka, right? That is Alpaprana.
Oh, okay. The last ba.
Yeah, Bha is Mahaprana. So the even ones, right? Second and fourth are Mahaprana. So,
Oh, okay.
and here, which is the Mahaprana?
The last one.
Correct. Bhi. Okay. So here there are three in this. Okay. Mukha Chandra.
Mukha Chandra.
Mukha Chandra.
Mukha Chandra.
This ka is Mahaprana, right? So that ha sound should come. Mukha Chandra.
Mukha Chandra.
And another mistake or tendency that comes for everybody is when we have one Mahaprana, the second one will become Mahaprana, right? Like Mukha Chandra, right? So that we have to be very careful. It comes only with practice. The more we do, it stays correct. Otherwise, we tend to make that mistake. Mukha Chandra.
Mukha Chandra.
Kalankabha.
Thalankaba.
Yeah, see again, that is why. So this is Alpaprana, okay? So
Oh,
Kalankabha.
okay. Thalankaba.
Yeah, so here see it shifted, it transferred. The Mahaprana came to the third one. That happens when we do it, but if you keep repeating, it'll get fixed. Kalankabha.
Kalankaba.
Or do it a little slower, it'll come. Kalankabha.
Kalankaba.
Mriganabhi.
Mriganabi.
Mriganabhi.
Mriganabi.
Visheshaka.
Visheshaka.
So here we have both the shas, right? So we saw this in last class. I don't think you were there last class, right? Were you there?
Yeah.
You were there? Okay. So this sha is like which sha? The first sha?
I don't remember
Yeah,
it.
okay. First sha is like Shankara. Okay, that is a softer sha where we put our tongue just behind the teeth. So it is Shankara, she. So Vishe. Shaka is the deeper sha, like Shanmukha. So that you have to curve your tongue a little bit. So Vishe Shaka. Okay. Mukha
Visheshaka.
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 Correct. Mukha Chandra Kalankabha.
Mukha Chandra Kalankaba.
Mriganabhivisheshaka.
Mriganabi Visheshaka.
Okay, good. So just practice it. It'll come. Okay. You just have to keep remembering. Tell yourself this is Mahaprana. This is Mahaprana. This is Mahaprana. And here you have to distinguish the two. Okay. This
Okay,
one is
thank
easy
you.
to got it. Yeah. Okay.
Thank
Anybody else?
I can do Shanti Divya here.
Yeah. Okay. Ashtami Chandra.
Ashtami Chandra.
Yeah, here also you see it is the second sha's half. Okay, so it is Ashtami Chandra.
Ashtami Chandra.
Vibhraja.
Viphraja.
Dalikasthala.
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 Shobhita.
Shobhita.
Ta soft madila. Okay. Shobhita.
Shobhita.
Mukhachandra.
Mukhachandra.
Kalankabha.
Kalangabha.
Kalankabha.
Kalangabha.
We make it
Third.
soft, right? Yeah, Kalanganakam. Like,
Mm.
yeah, angana agan padilla. That
Kalangabha.
so that ka also we have to not make it soft. Kalankabha and la again, like we said earlier, that it should be the first la, right? La la la.
Kala. La. Kala.
Kala,
Kalanga.
Kaladhara,
Kalangabha. Not
Kalankabha,
kala. Kalangabha.
Mriganabhi.
Mriganabhi.
Correct. Visheshaka.
Visheshaka.
Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja.
Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja.
Dalika Sthala Shobhita.
Dalikasthala Shobhita.
Mukha Chandra Kalankabha.
Mukhachandra Kalangabha.
Mukha Chandra Kalankabha.
Mukhachandra Kalangabha.
Mriganabhi Visheshaka.
Mriganabhivisheshaka.
Correct, yeah. Good. Anyone else wants to try?
I can try.
Who is that?
No, Nijitra.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja.
Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja.
Dalika Sthala Shobhita.
Dalika Sthala Shobhita.
This tha also you have to stress. Dalika Sthala Shobhita.
Dalika Sthala Shobhita.
Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja Dalika Sthala Shobhita.
Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja. Dalika Sthala Shobhita.
Okay. Yes, this bra also it has to be stressed, but practicing. Okay. Mukha Chandra Kalankabha.
Mukha Chandra Kalankabha.
Mriganabhi Visheshaka.
Mriganabhivisheshaka.
Together now. Mukha Chandra Kalankabha Mriganabhi Visheshaka.
Mukha Chandra Kalankabha Mriganabhivisheshaka.
Correct. So the way you split is very good because it is one name, right? So you cannot make it like Kalankabha. So this was perfect. So yeah, okay. I see some other names. I don't know if I can call you out or.
Shanthi, could you please tell the meaning of this, the fifth verse?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I forgot, right? Okay. Just 1 second. Let me bring that up. Okay. I'll share the meaning itself on the screen. I used the Radha Krishna temple. Oh, sorry. So it says her forehead shines like the 8-day crescent moon. So that is why they say Ashtami is a Tithi, right? Which comes right in between the new moon and the full moon. So she has a crescent, so her forehead shines. They're saying Bhraja, Dalika Sthala is the forehead, and Shobhita is it looks like that, or Shobha, the beauty of that. And Mukha Chandra Kalankabha. Mukha Chandra is the Mukham in the form of the moon, and on that you see a beauty mark and is scented like the musk. That is what is Mriga. Mriga is that Mriganayanam, the deer, right? Musk. So Mriganabhi Visheshaka. And the, okay, that is the fifth one, right? Okay, the previous one we saw. Okay. And we'll move to the next one, or does anyone else wants to? I don't know if I can call upon anyone on the call. Meera, do you want to try? Ashtami Chandra. If you're not ready, it's fine. I'm just. Are you there? No. Okay, never mind. So we'll move to the next one. So that way we can do 4 on each day. We'll do the 4th one. So we'll quickly see the meaning of the 6th one. So Vadana Smara Mangalya Griha Torana Chillika. Her face resembles the auspicious archway of Cupid's palace. Vadana Smara Mangalya Griha Torana. Griha Torana is what they mean by archway. Griha is house, so Torana is that gateway. Griha Torana Chillika. It looks like that. Mangalya is auspiciousness. So Vadanam is face. So that is what they're describing there. Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalan Meenabha Lochana. Her eyes are like darting fish flowing with the beauty of goddess Lakshmi. That is what is Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha. Chalan Meenabha is a moving fish. Lochana is eyes. Lochana means eyes. And yeah, we'll stop here, right? One second, I'm not able to go back to the. Okay. We'll go to the next one. Vadana Smara Mangalya Griha Torana Chillika Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalan Meenabhalochana. Okay. So here, any volunteers to repeat?
I can try.
Who is it? Sorry,
Roshni.
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 Okay, yeah, Roshni. And can you tell me how many Mahapranas in the whole shloka?
2.
Okay, which is the first one?
Oh, actually, Mangalya. So Mangalya.
No, Mangalya is all Alpa Pranas. The ing is the last nasal sound, right? In the last one in the ka varga. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Okay. And the ga underneath is the third ga. That is a soft ga. So no Mahaprana there. Only in this line.
So Vaktra Lakshmi, the Lakshmi.
We don't call that sha. This is the compound word. So it is ik and sha, but that sha is the deep, the heavier sha. That's all. We don't call that Mahaprana. Mahaprana is where we give that ha sound, okay, like bha, kha, like that, okay. So
Chala mina bha, that bha.
yes, this is only Mahaprana.
Only one then, okay.
So this cha is also the first cha. So no need to stress. It is chalan meenabha.
Chalan mina bha.
Okay. So we'll repeat now. Vadana smara.
Vadana smara.
Mangalya.
Mangalya.
Griha
Torana.
Chillika. Vaktra Lakshmi. Parivaha. Chalan Meenabha. Lochana. And Lochana also, we tend to say Lochana. It is Alpa Prana only, so it is a first cha, okay? So here again, it is all one Nama, okay? Because we said, right, her forehead is shining like, auspicious thing. So it's all one description only, but it is like that compared to everything, but one word. Okay, the whole thing is describing just one aspect of her. So it is, you have to say it together. Vadanasmara mangalya, Vadanasmara mangalya grihatorana chillika.
Vadanasmara mangalya grihatorana chillika.
Correct, perfect. Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalanmeenabhalochana.
Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalameenabhalochana.
Parivaha, you should not extend it that much. Vaktra Lakshmi Pari. So if you're not able to catch the breath, right, you can extend this re a little bit, then you'll be able to control here. Vaktra Lakshmi Pariva. So Pariva, if you make it shorter here, you will tend to make it long. Instead, give some time after the re, then you'll be able to control it at ha. Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalan Meenabhalochana.
Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalanmeenabhalochana.
Okay. Vaha. Okay. Say it once more. Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalan Meenabhalochana.
Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalameenabhalochana.
Chalameenabha, that in has to be heard. Chalan, you can take a small pause there. Chalan Meenabhalochana. Try saying it a little slower because it's very long, right?
Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalanmeenabhalochana.
Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalanmeenabhalochana.
Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalanmeenabhalochana.
That Chalanmeenabhalochana.
Chalanmeenabhalochana.
Okay. One more person. Manju, Meera, Reshma. Reshma, you want to do? Okay, I think probably they are multitasking, so it's fine. And, who wants to do it?
This is Kirti.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Kirti, okay. Hi, Kirti. Okay. Vadanasmara Mangalya.
Vadanasmara Mangalya.
Grihatorana Chillika.
Grihatorana Chillika.
Vaktra Lakshmi.
Vaktra Lakshmi.
Vaktra Lakshmi.
Vaktra Lakshmi.
Parivaha.
Parivaha.
Parivaha. Ha, or you have to stop it like Parivaha.
Parivaha.
Chalanmeenabhalochana.
Chalanmeenabhalochana.
Perfect. It was you already say it correctly, so not much corrections. So yeah, anybody else?
I can try.
Neil.
Yeah. Vadanasmara Mangalya Grihatorana Chillika Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalanmeena Bhalochana.
It's also perfect. Okay. So yeah, so when you're learning it, you should also chant and you should record and keep, so you yourself can hear and make the corrections or note. So it'll get perfect over more practice. Okay. So this was good. This was very good. And the meter, everything was correct. So this is how we should chant. So should we do like a quick run through until here? We have 10 more minutes.
Should we do from Manorupeksha?
No, from first itself actually we can do. We'll have time. But let's decide how. If I can call in the order I see here, maybe we can move quickly. Nisha, are you good to do the first one?
Sure, I can do it.
Yeah.
Om Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Srimat Simhasaneshwari Chitagnikunta Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata
Very good. This ta alone, this is softer. And Simhasaneshwari, I think you said Simhasaneshwari. Can you say that?
Simhasaneshwari.
Simhasaneshwari. Okay.
So we tend to say Simhasaneshwari because it's written in many scripts, but it should be the Anuswara sound.
Simhasaneshwari.
So can you go again, Nisha?
Sure. Okay. Om Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Srimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagnikunda Samputa
Chidagni Kunda.
Chidagnikunda Samputa Devakarya Samudyata.
Good. Roshni, second one, can you do?
Udyadbhanu Sahasraba Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadya Udankarankushojvala.
Yours was not as soft as Alpaprana, but not as hard as the Mahaprana. So it's fine, but you can stress a little more like dha and krodha, okay? And Udyad Bhanu. Chatur Bahu, this hu is the shorter u, okay? It's going this way, right? So Bahu, it's not long Bahu. Chatur Ba. So you can make the ba a little longer if you're not able to make this short. Can you do this again?
Okay. Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha Chaturbahu Samanvita.
Chaturbahu Samanvita.
Chaturbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashadya Krodankara. Sorry, I can't see the other letter. Krodankarankushojvala.
Here, there's no
I'm not too good with my Hindi, so.
Yeah, okay. There is no in here. Okay? Krodha karang kushojvala. Okay, so there is n sound here. Can you do the second line?
Yeah. Ragaswarupa Pashadya Krodha Karankushojvala.
And next I see, do you see what I see on the screen? Do you see the names I see here?
No, none of us see it actually. Oh, I don't see it. Maybe when I click into participants, yeah.
No, okay. On my screen, because I'm sharing the desktop, I thought you'll see it. Okay, so no, do you see Nisha, Roshni, Kirti?
No, I don't see that at all.
No, on my screen.
No, we don't see it on your screen at all, no.
Oh, okay. Okay, so that's why. So if I could share what I'm seeing, then you will know the order. Okay, I see Kirti next. Kirti, can you do the third one?
Yeah.
This one, yeah.
मनोरूपेक्षु कोद्दाण्ड पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुण प्रभापूर मजद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
Nija Runa is short true and Prabha Pura, there's no pause, okay? It's one name, right? So Prabha Pura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala. Can you do it again?
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्ड पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुण प्रभापूर मजद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
Nijaruna, okay, not Nijaruna, and Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat, it's not Majjat, it's Majjat Brahmanda Mandala, okay? Do you want to do it once more?
Just the second line or
Yeah,
both?
both lines together.
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्ड पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुण प्रभापूर.
Nijaruna, right? Nijaruna. That Aruna is sun. So remember that Aruna. So Nijaruna.
निजारुण प्रभापूर मजद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
Next I see Divya. Okay, Divya, you're okay doing the next one? Champaka Shoka.
Yeah. Chambaka Shoga Punnaga Saugandhikala Satkaja Kuruvinda Shreni Kanat Kodira Mandida.
Everything is good. Just the ta.
Kanat Kodira. Okay, it's Kanat Kodira Mandida.
And Champaka also.
Chambaka Shoka Punnaga.
Yeah, in Malayalam we'll say Champaka, but its actual thing is Champaka. Okay, that pa.
Champaka. Okay.
Pakashoka punnaga saugandhika
Dhikilasatkachi. Chambaka shoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha. Kuruvinda manishreni kanatkotiramandita.
Correct. Next I see Neil. You can do Ashtami Chandra.
Yeah. Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Daligasthala Shobita Mukha Chandra Kalankabha Mriganabhi Visheshaka.
Yeah, see that it shifts, right? This instead of tha, this dha becomes dha. So that we have to be careful. And mriganabhi visheshaka. You want to do it once more?
Sure. Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Daligastha.
Vibraja, right? And this sha is that.
Vibraja. Yeah, let me try again. Ashtami Chandra Vibraja.
Ashtami is the other sha, the deeper shanmukha sha. So Ashtami Chandra.
Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Daligasthala Shobita. Shobhita Mukha Chandra Kalankabha Mriganabhi Visheshaka.
Yeah, so mriganabhi is short b. Okay, mriganabhi visheshaka.
Is it not BH? Mriganabhi.
Yeah,
Right?
it is mriganabhi visheshaka. It is not mriganabhi visheshaka. Okay.
Mriganabhi Visheshaka.
And mukha also, that kha is mahaprana.
Yeah.
One is a loaded one.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Too many Mahapranas.
Yeah. So okay. So next one I see Lisha. Lisha, you're okay doing the Vadanasmara Mangalya?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
Vadanasmara Mangalye Grihatorana Chillikam Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalanina Balochana.
Everything is good meter, everything is perfect. Just Mangalye, it's not Mangalye, it's Mangalya. Okay.
Mangalya.
You want to do it once more?
Yeah. Vadanasmara Mangalye Grihatorana Mangalya. Okay. Vadanasmara Mangalye Grihatorana Chillikam Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalanina Balochana.
Very good. Yeah. So see, this is how you can adjust the parivaha. So it fits correctly, right? To break just for others, I'm saying. So yeah.
Shanthi, I mean, before going to next person, I have a question. Last class we were saying, when there is a line on it, there is a stress on that letter in English version.
No, when there is a line, it means it's a long vowel.
This is a long vowel. Oh, got it.
So they, in English especially, because different people can write it different ways, right? There will be texts very different. So if you're following English script, just print one out and keep that, and after you pronounce, make the notations there, okay? Whatever makes sense to you. See, for example, like I used to prefer putting it as BHA, or for ba, that's not a good example.
I mean, for the English version, right? Where is the longer stress now? Bha.
Yeah, that is covered in the H, right? So we have, luckily we have P and B, so there is no problem. So for the first two are covered by pa, pha, P and PHA, and ba and bha, B and BHA. Next class, maybe we can start with a little pronunciation guide for English script, so that will be helpful.
Yeah, I mean, many cannot read Hindi, so I was like,
yeah. So kha also, this one I think is good because it's consistent and it doesn't become too long. When I write transcript, right, for a Sanskrit or Tamil or whatever, I put for long ones, I put the capital A or double A, just like we read. But the problem with that is it becomes too long, right? If you start putting double A, and so that becomes an issue. So this one is more standard. And this is what many of the texts like Chinmaya and all follow. So with these notations. So we'll stick to this. If you prefer something else, you do that, but make your own notations. Like if it is a Mahapranam, highlight it with yellow. Even if you print this out, right, it might be useful to highlight wherever it is a Mahaprana. So you'll quickly see you have to stress there. Okay. Yeah, that is all until you get very familiar. Okay. After that, it will come naturally. if we are keeping on practicing. I think it's 9:30. Any quick questions before we wind up? So try to, I think you are on.
This is Kirti. I just had one question. The text which we are reading, right? I don't see this as the one shared in our WhatsApp group, or did I miss it?
Yeah, you would have missed it. I'll resend the PDF. So I'd sent 2 PDFs as attachments or as forwards, and I attached the file. And in the description, I have some links. So this is the one that is yeah. English. Actually, there is a site called sanskritdocuments.org. Okay, in this you will find many languages. The only problem is English is the font is not so good.
Okay.
That's why this
No,
seems
Could we have like combination of Hindi and English, so it's easy.
yeah, so it's easy for us to follow both, right? And we can quickly check if it is correct and this one is a standard one used, so it should not have any mistakes.
Please resend this PDF, Shanthi. We joined
yeah.
late and we don't have this.
Yeah, I'll send this one.
Thank you.
And I'd sent a Malayalam one also, if anyone wants. Again, Malayalam, there will be some variations from site to site because, for example, Padmam is written with the Tattasta and also with that Padam Da, right? Because many of you, while reading, you will know that